I am Milton, son of a carpenter and Mary. Dad a carpenter, worked on skyscrapers, Mom Mary Ann. I am the son of a carpenter and Mary. I get to tell parables. I also do a little genetic carpentry. And this is a Stigmata Eyes parable video. Slowly but surely changing the color of those eyes from brown to blue. Gotta go on with the whole body to change with the genetics. That's why I'm in the wheelchair. Gold here, sharp looking wheelchair. You know what's going on with the eyes? Come see me in person, tell me. What will speed up the process? Because you're going to try to call me, 424-229-4140. You're going to see the devil stealing your call. So, 4260 Eagle Rock Boulevard, apartment 49, Los Angeles, California, 90065. See me in person. I am Milton, son of a carpenter and Mary. Dad a carpenter, worked on skyscrapers, Mom Mary Ann. I'm the son of a carpenter. I get to tell parables. And these are my Stigmata Eyes. Growing a new pair. Doing a little genetic carpentry. Don't try this at home. You don't want to end up with one green eye and one orange eye, do you? Leave it to the professionals. Dad himself taught me. Oh, and that one, the smaller, browner circles from about 2014. Slowly disappearing, bigger, bluer circles growing in through and around. You don't see that outer brown circle. And that white part's working on the brown. Milton Stigmata Eyes. I'm Milton, son of a carpenter Mary. Dad a carpenter, worked on skyscrapers. Mom Mary Ann. I am the son of a carpenter Mary. I get to tell parables, and I also get to do a little genetic carpentry work. Don't try this at home. Dad himself taught me how. So there's a big eye. Smaller, browner. Circle slowly disappearing back in 2014, I believe. And here's, oh, go one soon. He doesn't have eyes, but he gets me around as I'm growing another body. Very painful with the muscles. Come see me. There's the eye the year before that. I am Milton, son of a carpenter and Mary. My dad a carpenter, worked on skyscrapers. My mom Mary Ann. I'm the son of a carpenter Mary. I get to tell parables. I'm also doing a little genetic carpentry. Eyes used to be all dark brown, slowly but surely. Smaller, browner eyes disappearing, the big, bluer eyes growing in through and around. Oh, they can change from day to day, morning to night. Lots of stuff going on with them. But yeah, it's they started changing in 1996. You know what's going on with them? Yeah, come see me in person to tell me. Milton Stigmata Eyes. Slowly but surely growing a new pair. I got two of these. And I'm doing that spiral staircase work on both of them. And let me see. Oh yeah, used to be all very dark brown. Darker than that what you see on that side of the middle part. Slowly but surely doing that genetic carpentry. Don't try this at home. Dad himself taught me. And they're changing from brown to blue. Check them out on youtube.com/DNFD series. And yeah, a few videos here and there on my Flickr. with immaculatehouse@yahoo.com. I am Melton, son of a carpenter and Mary. Daddy carpenter. Worked on skyscrapers, Mom Mary Ann. I am the son of carpenter Mary. I get to tell parables, and that looks different. Looks a little wider around the outside of the blue there. Yes, I'm the son of carpenter Mary. I get to tell those parables. I also get to do a little genetic carpentry. That's Melton, son of carpenter Mary. Don't try this at home. You don't want to end up with one green eye and one orange eye, do you? Leave it to the professionals. And here's what the eyes look like, probably about 2014. You just have to imagine two of them. That outer brown circle there is gone. Blue eyes on the way now. Melton Stigmata Eyes by Melton. I'm growing a new pair of eyes. Have to. You gotta build Jesus' immaculate house here on earth. You're on a whole new body, very painful with the muscles and bones right now. Let me show you how big you're right. They're a little hazy this morning. Oh, there you go. Smaller browner circles on their way out, big bluer circles growing in, through, and around. Oh yeah, it's Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas from the handsome bald guy. I am Melton, and these are my stigmata eyes. Slowly but surely, they're changing from brown to blue. Brown part there is very light brown compared to what the eyes look like for most of my life, half my life. First 30 years, about. And it wasn't until 2013 when they went from being fairly dark brown all over to kind of like this. And if you could look closely, the brown ring around the outside is disappearing. It means, the brown eyes are on the way out. Genetic carpentry by the son of carpenter Mary. Melton Stigmata Eyes. I am Melton, son of a carpenter and Mary. A daddy carpenter, worked on skyscrapers, Mom Mary Ann. I am the son of a carpenter Mary. I get to tell parables. And I also do a little genetic carpentry. That's what's going on with the eyes. Oh, they can change. Used to be all dark brown. Then about 2013, the change, which had started back in 1996, looked more like this, except a little darker. Than 2014. That's when this was, and yeah, ended up in the hospital, growing a new pair of eyes. But I'm out now. Don't try this at home. Dad himself taught me how to do genetic carpentry. Come see me in person. Tell me what you think of them, because you're going to try to call me, 424-229-4140, and you're going to see the devil stealing your call. Walk right past that devil. Be on the right side of the change. Millennia in the making. Let's start building Jesus' immaculate house. Those 1,000 points of light to inspire. Future and the present to greatness with. Once you tear down the great wall of evil, that's just me and all of my imagery.